Do you know that in car, there can be different types of harmful bacteria, moles, and fungi in every inside area of the car? These harmful bacteria, moles, and fungi circulate in the car through the air conditioning system, can affect you and your family's health. Have you disinfected your car? Probably never. Now we can test the living bacteria on the surface. Using the ATP test machine. The result of ATP machine is 220 RLU. Fog Shuddhi discharge millions of bacterial nanoparticles in your car air conditioning system and kill harmful bacteria, moles, and fungi in a car inside. Keep the Fog Shuddhi at the footwell of the passenger front seat. Keep the air conditioner on. Once it's on, within minutes, it will disinfect your car. Benefits of Fog Shuddhi. Affordable treatment to protect you and your family. Reduce the risk of getting affected by bacteria was there inside before. Improve air quality and kills 98.9% of bacteria in your car. After 1 hour, let's check the result using ATP test machine. And now the result is 47 RLU.